back to the channel again, and thank you for joining me for another day of Vlogmas. Today I'm just going to make a simple tablescape for two, something that I can sit down and enjoy Christmas brunch. I'm starting off with this beautiful centerpiece. Let me take you in for a closer look. I just have a beautiful metallic tray with the DIY base, and I've just got some silver picks in it. And I've got a silver reindeer behind it. Now let's do the table setting. So much for looking at this beautiful tablescape for two. If you have not subscribed to this channel, go right ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any day of Vlogmas. And if you are a current subscriber, I thank you so much for your continued support of this channel and all the videos that I have coming up for this month. And we're going to go into the new year with a bang. Remember what I always say, don't let anyone disturb your peace or your joy, and you guys have a blessed day.